everybody, John here with Billy and Seafood Guys and home of the Wild Alaskan Seafood Box. We are back again with another episode of Simple Seafood Recipes. Today we are doing another grilled cheese recipe. Today we're doing grilled cheese with shrimp. So we're gonna get things really cheesy. It's gonna be really good. We hope you like it. Subscribe below, don't miss any of our videos. We're showing you how easy it is to cook seafood at home. Don't be intimidated. We're gonna get this going.